Hi everyone, I'm Alex, pro artist for Charlotte Tilbury. Let me show you how to get the clean girl look with all of my favourite products. So I've already prepped my skin with Charlotte Tilbury skincare collection, and now I'll be going over the top with Charlotte's Magic Hydrator Mist. So literally mist this across the face on any exposed skin, and this will give a gorgeous bouncy texture and a nice glow. So next product I'm using is Hollywood Flawless Filter, which is one of our most popular products, and this is a shade 2. So I'm popping the product onto the cheeks. I like to pop a little tiny bit here on the forehead, down the centre of the nose and onto the chin. And then using a nice fluffy brush like this one, which is Charlotte's Magic Complexion brush, I'm going to buff that out. So you can see that really reduces texture and gives a gorgeous glow to the skin. So the next product I'm using is Beautiful Skin Concealer, and this has a nice natural texture, so you can still see the skin peeping through, and just use this in places where you want to add that little bit of extra coverage to keep that clean girl aesthetic. I'll pop a tiny bit here where I've got a blemish, and a little on this side as well. And now, taking the same brush from before, I'm going to really buff that out into the skin. So using a nice fluffy brush like this will help the product to disperse and gives more of a natural finish than it would if you were to use more of a compact brush, and that will really give you that extra coverage. Now I'm using a tiny bit of Airbrush Flawless Powder, and this is a shade 1. So even for that clean girl look, I do always like to use a little tiny bit of powder. This is twice milled, and it also contains essential oils, so you will still get that nice natural glow to the skin without looking too shiny and too oily. I'm using this just in the centre of the face and under the eyes, and then the cheekbones can stay nice and glowy and highlighted. Moving on now to contour. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Contour Wand in the shade Fair, and I'm keeping that nice and high onto the cheekbones and blending that out with a flat brush. So bring it right up into the temples and onto the forehead as well. Another one of my favourite products for a clean girl look is Charlotte's Beauty Light Wands, and this is shade Peachgasm, which gives a nice, healthy, natural glow onto the cheekbones just under the eye, and then blend that out with a flat brush. And I love to take this product just across the bridge of the nose as well to give that natural glow. So next product that I'm using is Lip Cheat, and this is the shade Pillow Talk Medium. I don't want to go too structured with this because we want to keep it nice and blurred out for that clean girl look. Just really lightly across the lip line. And then take a lip brush and just blend those edges. One of my favourite products to use at the moment for a clean girl look is the new Charlotte Tilbury lip oils. The lip oil that I'm using now is scented in coconut. It's so easy to apply. There's a silicone applicator which hugs the lip, and they're so compact that you can literally throw them inside your bag. The formula is a little bit more lightweight than a standard gloss, and it's not too sticky either, so they feel really nice on the lips. The lip oils are so soft and so nourishing for the lips, and they come in 6 different scents. And then last but not least is Airbrush Setting Spray to keep all of our products on. So this is waterproof but still keeps a nice glow to the skin for that clean girl look. So this is the final clean girl look, perfect for every occasion.